Welcome back to our channel where we share with you all the tips and tricks to live a healthy lifestyle. Today we're going to show you how to create delicious smoothies that not only taste great, but also give your body the nutrients it needs. So get ready to blend up some goodness with our 10 healthy and delicious smoothie recipes. Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Start your day with a taste of the tropics. Blend together coconut milk, mango, pineapple, and banana for a refreshing and healthy smoothie that will transport you to a sunny beach. Berry Blast Smoothie. Packed with antioxidants, this smoothie is perfect for a midday snack. Combine mixed berries, almond milk, and a scoop of vanilla protein powder for a delicious and nutritious boost. Green Goddess Smoothie. Get your greens in with this power-packed smoothie. Blend together spinach, kale, avocado, banana, and almond milk for a creamy and nutrient-dense drink. Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. Who says healthy can't be indulgent? This smoothie combines chocolate protein powder, peanut butter, almond milk, and a banana for a creamy and satisfying treat. Mango Lassi Smoothie. Inspired by the traditional Indian drink, this smoothie is a delicious and healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Blend together mango, Greek yogurt, cardamom, and honey for a refreshing and exotic flavor. Cinnamon Roll Smoothie. Get the taste of a cinnamon roll without the guilt. Blend together almond milk, banana, cinnamon, vanilla protein powder, and a splash of maple syrup for a delicious and healthy treat. Pina Colada Smoothie. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this healthy take on the classic cocktail. Blend together coconut milk, pineapple, banana, and a dash of rum extract for a sweet and satisfying drink. Coffee Lovers Smoothie. Get your caffeine fix in a healthy way with this smoothie. Blend together cold brewed coffee, almond milk, banana, and a scoop of chocolate protein powder for a delicious and energizing drink. Blueberry Muffin Smoothie. Get the taste of a blueberry muffin in a healthy and satisfying smoothie. Blend together blueberries, Greek yogurt, oats, vanilla extract, and a splash of almond milk for a tasty and nutritious treat. Cherry Vanilla Smoothie. Indulge in the sweet taste of cherries with this healthy smoothie. Blend together cherries, vanilla protein powder, almond milk, and a dash of almond extract for a delicious and satisfying drink. We hope you enjoyed these 10 healthy and delicious smoothie recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments which recipe was your favorite. Stay healthy and keep blending.